Look at this. It's a proper snowstorm today. Wow! I've got free-range chickens in the garden. I better go check on them, see if they're okay. Oh, poor chickies. It's their first, very, very first winter. Hey, Santa. I'm gonna make those... Oh, make sure those chickies are okay. One clever chickie here. Let's find the other two. Where are they? Oh, silly chickies. What are you doing? That's not a place for chickies. You got snow all over you. What are you guys doing? Come on. I'm going to come and get you. What happened here? What are you doing, sweetie? What are you doing? It's a snowstorm. Buffy, come on. Buffy, come on. You're being silly. Come on out. Come here. Come here. No, stop it. Stop it. What are you doing? It's a snowstorm, silly. Why are you out? Get inside. Pair of you. Oh. Nugget and Molly are inside, Buffy. Let's go here. There we go. There we go. Why don't you stay in here? I'm out here and I'm going to put the chickies to sleep. Well, I put them in their coop. Clear a path for them. See if they'll go on their own. Come on then. Gluck, 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 gluck. Come on, gluckers. Hey, come on, let's go. Bedtime, my baby. Come on. We take you home. We take you home and you don't have to step in that nasty snow. Hey, McGlucker. There we go. Go in the coop. And I got some porridge for you. Hey. And if you go, the girls will go. I'm sure of it. Hey. Here we go. There we go. Yeah. Go on. Here. Here's your perch. We take you next. There you go. Look, it's already in there, Buffy. Come on. Let's go into your nice warm coop. There you go. We just have to get Buff. Hey, you'll be fine. Yeah, I'm gonna get your porridge in a minute. Molly is venturing out. See, she's fretting. Come on, Molly. Let's go. Can I help you? Here. Here. Here, Molly. You're just as important. No, don't let your wing go. Tuck your wing in. Tuck your wing in. Or to carry you like this. Okay, and be gentle with you, okay? Ooh, duck. Quack, quack. Ooh, here we go. So what am I going to give you guys? Every evening you get a special treat, don't you? Hang on. Wait on me. So can you see us in here? So I'm going to feed them their blueberries and their porridge. And then they're going to go to sleep. Hey, did you peck me? Did you peck me? It's really steamy in here. Temperature's much different in here than it is outside. Okay, let's keep feeding them. She likes the berries. Oh, sorry, big boy. Here, it's going to be a little bit harder because I'm holding the camera too. There you go. It's hard to film here. Oh, big watch of it. So this is their coop. They sleep here at night. There they are at the top. It's a bit insulated, but on the whole it's unheated in here. And I deep compost, so their poo stays in here, but I always keep it really well ventilated, so it doesn't even stink in here, but it's very warm. You can see by all the different heat generated by the breath and my breath talking. Okay, night night chickies, night night. This is still outdoors. It's an outdoor enclosure, and then I have another door in here which I close, and down here is another place they can play. So this is the whole thing. There's an enclosure outside there for when it snows, and in here, and otherwise they free range or come up here. Oh, I better finish clearing the snow.